Now the update is the Pixel 7 is sold.
Alright, so we are all set to leave for the road trip for the last 2 hours. मैं कैमरा मार्केट में हूँ and I was looking to buy a used action camera, but now it seems like I might buy something good. Okay, so there was no plan to buy something brand new, but so today we are taking a break from phones.
Hey guys, good morning. Once again, vlog number 4. Most welcome to you guys. अब जो है day 3 का vlog edit हो रहा है. अभी time हो रहा है. It's morning 8:25 a.m. Now the update is the Pixel 7 is sold. Before that, I did manage to record a video. What do I like about the Pixel 7? So that video should be out today evening. There are a few shots that I have been able to complete, so that will also come. This will be a good time to follow us on social media, that is Instagram and Facebook. We are very active there. You can DM us there. If you see that there is a delay in replying to your comments, you can DM me on Instagram. I mostly am active there and on Telegram as well. Now there are a few updates. So the first thing that we're going to do today is we are of course going to go on a road trip as I promised yesterday, and we're going to go to town which is about 50 kilometers from here, South Mumbai, and we'll try to buy an action camera so that I can give you better quality in audio and video for these daily vlogs. At the same time, we will collect the Mi 11X, which unfortunately could not be repaired. So I'm going to collect it from there and I'm going to send it to Kolkata. There is a guy who claims he can fix dead Mi 11X devices, and there is a OnePlus 3T that I had given for screen change and stuff. So we'll be doing that. At the same time, if I find any accessories for this beautiful studio, I might buy them as well. And let's see how the day goes. My daily driver right now is the iQOO 11. This device is not sold, but I'm loving using it. I really don't have any complaints. So let's see how the day goes. We'll get ready and get on the road and then see what we need to do next.
Alright, so we are all set to leave for the road trip. 2-3 जगह पे काम है. We're gonna pick up the Mi 11X and the OnePlus 3T as well. 3T मेरा नहीं है, फ्रेंड का फ़ोन है. Anyways, बारिश रुक गई है, वेदर अच्छा लग रहा है एंड वी आर ऑल सेट. आज का व्लॉग अपलोड हो गया है एंड अ लॉट ऑफ यू गाइज आर लाइकिंग इट, सो प्लीज़ शेयर एंड प्लीज़ वॉच इट एज मच एज यू कैन. एट द सेम टाइम मैंने हमारे एडिटर को आज का वीडियो जो शाम को आने वाला है अबाउट पिक्सल 7 और आज का जो शॉर्ट है वो एडिट करने के लिए दे दिया है. सो होपफुली वो भी टाइम पे आ जाएगा. थोड़े दिन देयर विल बी दीज एडजस्टमेंट्स आगे पीछे, बट उसके बाद वी विल डेफिनेटली हैव दिस सिनेरियो वेर इन एवरी सिंगल डे एट अ सर्टन टाइम व्लॉग आएगा, वीडियोज़ आएंगे एंड धीरे धीरे लाइव स्ट्रीम्स भी स्टार्ट करेंगे. इसी के साथ साथ आई वॉन्ट यू गाइज टू पुट इन मोर कमेंट्स टू द चैनल टू लेट मी नो वॉट यू वॉन्ट टू सी ऑन द चैनल. व्लॉग में क्या देखना चाहते हो, क्या अलग अलग चीज़ें देखना चाहते हो, क्या ओपिनियन जानना चाहते हो. Alright, so it's afternoon 3 o'clock. It's been raining and we've been riding for the last 2 hours. मैं कैमरा मार्केट में हूँ and I was looking to buy a used action camera, but now it seems like I might buy something good. I'll let you know towards the end of the vlog. For now, let me show you where am I. So we are at this store right here. This is the entire camera market in South Mumbai Fort. That's our Kratos right there. So as I said, it's around 3 o'clock and let's go inside and see what happens. Okay, so there was no plan to buy something brand new, but abhi kharcha ho hi gaya. We've bought the latest Hero 11 Black, brand new. I'll tell you how much it costed me after I experience it, but as I've been telling you guys since the last 2 to 3 days that the experience from now on should be better, because shooting from different phones, 3-4 अलग अलग फ़ोन से रोज़ शूट होता है, तो the quality is not consistent, but I really hope after this the quality will be much better and you'll be able to see videos on the moto vlogging channel once again as well. So now the plan is we have to visit a couple of temples. I have to visit the mobile market because वहाँ पे Mi 11X रिपेयर के लिए दिया है, OnePlus 3T है and a couple of other things. And the weather looks like बहुत ज़ोरदार बारिश आने वाली. We are around 50 kilometers away from home, so 2 से 3 घंटे लग जाएंगे. And I don't know आज के shorts और videos शाम को upload होंगे या नहीं, because my editor is editing right now. But let's see. बहुत time बाद I am working with someone new, so let's see how his experience is. For now, I'm not gonna vlog anything till the time I reach home. Studio पहुँच के बात करते. So today we are taking a break from phones and we are visiting a few temples. Of course, we've already purchased the GoPro and the Mi 11X is still in fast boot mode. We've collected that. I look like this because I'm wearing a raincoat and it's raining. Okay, so right now it is 7:42 in the evening, and we are in the famous Siddhivinayak temple in Mumbai. This is the third temple for the day. There is a reason I had to visit these temples. And as I told you, there has been a new purchase, and I've also ordered a lot of accessories for the GoPro. Now, tomorrow's vlog is definitely going to be a lot about the phones, and today's vlog is still not over because I'm going to reach home in the next 2 hours. So आज 10-11 बज जाएंगे घर पहुँचते पहुँचते. उसके बाद I'll give you a gist exactly what happened today and what the state of the Mi 11X is. And in the next vlog, I will definitely tell you what the story behind the Mi 11X is and what steps we're going to take to fix that particular device. For now, we're going to complete the darshan in this particular temple, and from here it's going to be a 1.5 hour ride back home. So let's reach home and let's see how the weather treats us.